Today's video is Kaden fixes my ceiling fan / Ungrounded. It was requested by Jboy the Cool Guy 224. I can't believe Chick Hicks destroys Cameron's ceiling fan yesterday, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to fix Cameron's ceiling fan by using polygon logic, when Kaden got to my house. Okay, now I'm in Cameron's room, now let's fix his ceiling fan. Yes! I fixed Cameron's ceiling fan. Kaden, did you fix my ceiling fan? Yes! Kaden, thank you so much for fixing my ceiling fan, and for this, you are ungrounded forever. You can go home now. Thank you so much, Cameron, you're the best. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.